Let's see if this actually works. That's how I want it to look. That's how it currently looks. This is what the kit comes with. The actual liquid, some sanding paper, a sanding block, the heater, car jack adapter, and the wall adapter. So first you hit it with water. Go from coarse to fine sandpaper, do all the sandpapers. After you're done sanding it, you're supposed to dry it, and it's supposed to look this foggy. Then you pour in some solution, wait 5 to 10 minutes until it starts boiling. I think it definitely works.